And good morning, good evening, everyone. I am Charita from class 6th A. I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya School. Today I am going to speak few words about Jhansi Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was the great freedom fighter of India. She was born on 19 November 1828 in Varanasi. Her father's name was Moropan Thamma and mother's name was Bhagirathi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai was called Manu Bai in childhood. Rani Lakshmi Bai was an excellent horse rider and sword fighter. She was the queen of princely state Jhansi. Rani Lakshmi Bai fighting against the British for the freedom of our country. Every woman should understand our role in society and our voices where necessary. Then each of you will become a bravery, heroism and woman power like Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was a great role model for all women. Her life is inspiration to all of us. I shall not surrender my Jhansi still echo in the hearts of millions. Thank you for giving this opportunity.